Tired of printing, editing, and uploading documents just to fix a tiny mistake before sending them for signatures? Docusign allows you to make edits directly within the platform. Let's dive in. First, log into your Docusign account and select the document you want to modify. Once the document is open, look for the Edit Document button, usually located in the top menu bar. Click on it. This will open the editing mode. Now, you can directly modify text within the document. Click on the area you wish to change and start typing or deleting as needed. Docusign provides basic formatting options like changing the font size and style. Docusign's annotation tools let you add comments, highlights, or even strike through text. These are great for providing context or requesting specific changes from signers. Look for the annotation toolbar, usually on the left side. You can also adjust the placement and size of existing fields, like signature boxes or date fields. Simply click and drag the field to reposition it or use the handles to resize it. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click the Save or Done button. This will save your changes to the document. After saving, you are ready to send the edited document for signatures. As usual, click the Send button to start the signing process, and that's it. Now you can edit your documents directly in Docusign, saving time and paper. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks.